Some in crypto would say you have to risk it for that sweet biscuit to get an amazing return. But the truth is, buying the right altcoins and just holding them is a valid strategy, which is why we'll be going over 10 of the best altcoins to buy under $1 that will give you the 100x return you're looking for. We first need to point out, none of this is financial advice and just our opinion, but we strongly believe in these coins for the long term. Best of all, you can get them on a discount right now. First up, we have Engine Coin. Engine is a software that gives developers the ability to create and manage virtual goods on the Ethereum blockchain. The idea is that by using blockchain technology to manage in-game items across many different properties, Engine can help reduce the high fees and fraud that have plagued the transfer of virtual in-game goods and collectibles. Toward that goal, Engine has released software development kits, or SDKs, allowing users to both create digital assets on Ethereum and integrate them into games and apps. Each minted asset is customizable to fit the desired platform and recorded in a smart contract, giving the items the advantages of cryptocurrency, namely speed, cost, and security. Central in managing the digital assets of its platform is ENJ, Engine's cryptocurrency, and each in-game item created on Engine is assigned a value in ENJ. Bottom line, this is an awesome coin to get involved in, and the NFT platform they've created is pretty darn awesome. Second, we have Decentraland. Decentraland is a digital game that mimics reality in a three-dimensional format. This 3D, user-owned, Ethereum-based virtual reality world platform, or open-world metaverse, is a combination of virtual reality, augmented reality, and the internet. It allows users to be part of a shared digital experience in which they play games, exchange collectibles, buy and sell digital real estate or wearables for avatars, socialize, and interact with each other. Decentraland is software that seeks to give a global network of users incentives to operate a shared virtual world, according to cryptocurrency exchange Kraken. Decentraland is part of a growing metaverse trend that has led to a proliferation in meta-related coins. This is another coin you shouldn't sleep on. Before we get into our third coin, we'd like to point out you can get on our crypto newsletter as well as check out some great crypto resources directly below in the description. And yes, coin number 3 is that good old XRP. This is easily one of the most underrated large-cap cryptos that's worth buying, just based on its risk to reward. The Ripple network and its cryptocurrency XRP was launched in 2012. XRP is different from other cryptocurrencies in that it's owned by a single company and not run by a decentralized community. It also does not position itself as an alternative to traditional currencies. Instead, XRP wants to be kind of a middleman currency to allow global trade between any unit of value, like from cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin to Euro or other fiat currencies. Ripple already works closely with banks and financial institutions. The main goal of Ripple is to establish a network that allows as many transactions as possible to simultaneously run as fast as possible. Ripple aims to attract companies like large banks, remittance services, and payment providers who are interested in the technology. Keeping this in mind, it's easy to see that Ripple is more of a competitor to established financial infrastructure services such as SWIFT than to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next up, we have the Basic Attention Token. Most internet users go out of their way to avoid online advertisements, but what if they had a monetary incentive to view them? Basic Attention Token is a cryptocurrency intending to create a virtuous cycle around digital advertising that's equitable for creators and consumers. Running on Ethereum and integrated natively on a custom web browser called Brave, BAT can be exchanged between advertisers, publishers, and internet users based on their web activity, and is intended to streamline commerce between all three groups. Users are rewarded with BAT for viewing ad content, publishers can deliver high-impact ads, and advertisers can be assured their messaging is being viewed by a willing audience. The end result is a new kind of digital advertising platform powered by BAT. Users can either hold the BAT, exchange it for cash or other cryptocurrency, or pay it to support their favorite content creators. Fifth, we have Kronos. Kronos is the exchange coin for Crypto.com, and honestly, just based on it being an exchange coin with a low price makes it worth a look. Unlike some of the more sketchy exchanges, Crypto.com is on the up and up, and it wouldn't be surprising to see this one skyrocket to well over $1 a coin. Sixth, we have Orchid. Orchid is a software that seeks to incentivize a network of computers to operate and maintain a decentralized virtual private network, or VPN. A widely used tool for routing web traffic, VPNs enable users to alter how the data they generate moves around the internet, obscuring details about their browsing and data transmission. This can have benefits for users, especially those seeking to circumvent hostile local networks. However, VPNs can still pose security risks to users. Notably, users have to trust that their VPN provider will not steal, spy, or otherwise improperly access, compromise, or monetize their data. Orchid aims to provide a solution to this trust issue by distributing the operation of its VPN across a network of users on the Ethereum blockchain. More specifically, it's aiming to build an app designed to prevent users from leaving a data trail when they browse apps and websites. Seventh is Stellar XLM. Somewhat similar to XRP, Stellar is used for banks and individuals. It's managed to stay in the top 50 of all coins for many years, and another one worth adding to your watch list. Eighth is the Sandbox. This might still be an up-and-comer, but it has a lot of potential. The Sandbox is software running on Ethereum that operates a decentralized virtual gaming world. At its core, the Sandbox is a game in which players can buy digital plots of land, called land, and create experiences on top of them to share with other users. In this way, the Sandbox is one model of a blockchain-based metaverse in the same vein as Decentraland. Ninth is the Graph. Often referred to as the Google of cryptos, the Graph is an open-sourced software used to collect, process, and store data from various blockchain applications to facilitate information retrieval. Originally launched on the Ethereum blockchain, the Graph's mission is to help developers use relevant data to increase the efficiency of their decentralized application dApp. The Graph analyzes and gathers blockchain data before storing it into various indices called subgraphs, allowing any application to send a query to its protocol and receive an immediate response. Queries are posed by dApps through GraphQL, a widely used language originally created by Facebook to gather data for a user's news feeds. The Graph users who provide services to the network, called indexers and delegators, help to process the data and pass them on to end users and applications. The Graph's native cryptocurrency, GRT, is used to ensure the integrity of the data secured within its network. Any user, whether they are indexers, curators, or delegators, must stake GRT to perform their roles, and in return, earn fees from the network. The Graph is being used by popular Ethereum dApps like Aave, Curve, and Uniswap. Our final altcoin under $1 is none other than Shiba Inu. Cryptocurrencies are often divisive, but Shiba Inu is in a class of its own. Critics have called it a pump-and-dump scheme and said that it's practically useless. On the other hand, it has a massive number of followers who love to hype it up on social media, and it was one of the most successful investments of the last couple of years. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency meme token launched by an anonymous founder called Ryoshi. Like Dogecoin, it's based on the Doge meme, which features a Shiba Inu dog. It even calls itself the Dogecoin Killer. The white paper, referred to as a wolf paper for Shiba Inu, describes it as a community-based cryptocurrency project. This essentially means that the decentralized Shiba Inu community, known as the SHIB Army, oversees the cryptocurrency and its development. This isn't exactly unique in the world of crypto. There are other cryptocurrencies run by decentralized communities. So even though Shiba Inu's white paper frames it as a revolutionary idea, it's no different than what other projects have already been doing. Bottom line, this is a solid coin to get under $1. We hope you enjoyed this list of coins, and we'll see you all in the next crypto video.